it's Claire back again. First of all, sorry about the gross nakedness. I've just got base coat. On this hand, I've got Nailteek's Formula 2, and on this hand, I've got that Essie Treat Love and Colour base coat. So I've got a break here that just seems to keep peeling in this bloody weather, and I've got a kind of weird misshapen nail there. There we go. The rest of them are okay-ish, bit kind of yellowy, discoloured, but not too bad. Anyway, I was just about to say I'm going to try and make this a quick video, but already I've just messed that up. So this is a box. I've literally just opened the lid there because it had the address on the other side of it and I couldn't take it off. So this is a nail mail from Nika. She sent a message to a few of us on Instagram. Look out for a parcel. She's such a sweetheart. Nika is lovely. I will link her channel down below. She's one of the first people that I really sort of started talking to on Instagram and realised that there were people as nuts as I am about nail polish. Yeah, she's fantastic, Nika. So anyway, let's see what she sent me. I've got absolutely no idea, and I haven't watched anybody else's videos either, because I didn't want to spoil myself if we'd got similar things. Wow, look at this. This is amazing. There's a ton of stuff in here. Wow, first of all, okay, very handy nail file, brilliant. I'll keep that. I'll probably put that in my handbag actually. This is, oh my god, this is No More Weighty Katie, which is a very famous Butter London. I'll have to put this in one of my famous fives. Right, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see in the light there, but it has, there's a real purple flash to it as well as that silver glitter. I think this was a few years ago when Kate married William, so it was like, you know, you don't have to wait anymore, Kate. No more weighty Katie. But yeah, that's brilliant. Thank you very much, Nika. I'll swatch these in a second. Oh wow. Stamping plate. Let's see what this one is. It's from Beauty Big Bang, and I can't tell from the what word am I trying to say? I can't from the packaging. Too excited. And oh, it's a Christmas one. Oh, fantastic. Oh, well, I will save that for Christmas. I was going to say next year, but actually this year. But I might be able to use some of these snowflakes still. Oh, thanks, Nika. That's fantastic. I'll put that over there with my Christmas nail art stuff. Oh, she knows me very well. Chocolate and sweets. Fantastic. Thanks, Nika. I'll have those in a second after my dinner. So this is, oh, it's a base coat, Creative Play. Fantastic, always come in handy base coats. I don't have anything actually from this brand, so that'll be interesting to try that. And this is Well Trained. I love it. I don't know what collection this is from, but it's a China glaze. It's a beautiful deep teal. It's a kind of bluish teal, but it looks very, very pretty. So that's Well Trained. And, oh, fantastic, some hand cream, Patisserie de Bain. Sorry, Jules, if I've completely messed up the pronunciation. So this is rhubarb and custard hand cream made in the UK. And yeah, it does smell of rhubarb and custard. That's a very popular dessert in the UK. That's fantastic. Thank you. That's from the stamping plate. And this is, oh, some Charlie's nail art stickers for Christmas. Oh, I think she'd collected this box. Oh, very cute. Thank you, Nika. I think she'd collected this box before Christmas and didn't have a chance to send it out. Some more nail files. Brilliant, because I realised at the end of the year the nail files that I was using were really they'd just gone really dull. So some striping tape, is this called? Striping tape? I can't, my mind's gone completely blank. Wow, there's everything in this box. There's also some nail art brushes, which is fantastic. Nail art brushes, 7 of them. You know what? I've not done a fan brush design for ages, so this is kind of prompting me to do that, and that looks like a great clean-up brush. And a dotting tool as well. That's fantastic. Thank you, Nika. And she sent some nail transfers, and I used a couple of these as well earlier this year. Oh, look at that fox. I'll have to see if in Mrs. Cronall's wildlife challenge, nature nail art challenge, if there's a fox in there, because that will do the trick. And some Christmassy stickers there as well. Oh wow, I've got a ton of Christmas nail art now, and lots of lovely little glitter there at the bottom. Wow, Nika, this is amazing. This is like winning a giveaway. This is incredible. So that's 2 coats on No More Waity Katie. You probably need 3. I'm not going to do another one right now. I think that gives you the idea. And so it's a grey base, and it's got silver, and the purple is glitters. It's purple glitters rather than a purple flash, but it kind of makes it look like there's a purple flash. I quite like it. It's very unusual, actually. So yeah, that's fantastic. Thank you very much, Nika. And this, I absolutely love this. That's Well Trained from China Glaze. And all of these other wonderful goodies. Nika, you've really spoiled everybody. Thank you so much. I'm going to go and watch everybody else's videos now. Once I get myself organised this year, which hopefully will be very soon, it's been incredibly busy at work, I will be organising some little nail mail to my friends, some little treats. So thanks very much, Nika. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'm off to go and watch the other videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.